Hello Team Byju's, my name is Abhishek and I am from Bareilly. I am MSc in Mathematics and currently pursuing M.Ed. I applied for the role of Academic Specialist at Byju's, so I am here with my demo video on the topic probability. Without wasting my time, I would like to start my topic, which is probability. Probability means possibility. Probability means possibility. What is the possibility of occurring an event is called probability. Probability of occurring an event is represented by PE, in which PE is represented by possible outcome upon total outcome. What is possible outcome and what is total outcomes? We will take example of coin. As we know, there are two possible outcomes in coin, in which we can obtain head on tossing a coin and we can obtain tail on tossing a coin. If a student asks what is the probability of getting a head on tossing a coin one time, so we will say probability of getting a head on tossing a coin will be, possible outcome will be 1. And what are the total outcomes? Which is 2. So probability of getting a head will be 1 upon 2. If a student asks what is the probability of getting a tail on tossing a coin, it will be 1 upon 2. Same as when we toss a coin, so there are two possible outcomes, head and tail. So there are one possible outcome of getting tail, it is 1, and total outcome is 2. As we can see, the possibility is 1 upon 2, which is a proper fraction, and proper fraction always less than 1. So there is a conclusion, probability always lies between 0 to 1. Probability always lies between 0 to 1. If an event is sure to happen, then it will have probability 1. If I ask what is the probability of getting head or tail on tossing a coin, as we can say that if we toss a coin, we will surely get a head or tail. The probability of getting a head or a tail will be 1. If we take example of dice, so there will be 6 possible outcomes. There will be 6 possible outcomes, which is we can get 1, we can get 2, we can get 3, we can get 4, we can get 5, we can get 6. So it is a sample space in terms of die, which is we can get 1, we can get 2, we can get 3, we can get 4, we can get 5, we can get 6. If a student asks what is the probability of getting 7, so as we can say that there is no 7 in the sample space, so probability will be 0, because we can't get 7 after tossing a die. So then probability will be 0. Probability will be 0 in that case. If a student asks what is the probability of getting 7 in die, here we can see probability is 0. That is, it is not going to happen. We can get 7 on tossing a die, and probability is there 1 upon 2. So there is a conclusion that probability always lies between 0 to 1. Probability can never be greater than 1, and probability can never be negative. So now I am going to give a brief explanation about the term probability. Probability means possibility. If we want to calculate probability, then it is PE. So we can calculate it by using a formula, possible outcome upon total outcome. What is possible outcome and what is total outcome? If we want to toss a coin, we can get head or we can get tail. These are two possible outcomes. These are two total outcomes. And if a student asks what is the probability of getting a tail, there is one possible outcome and there are two total outcomes. So probability will be 1 upon 2. If we want to choose die, there are 6 possible outcomes. We can get 1, we can get 2, we can get 3, we can get 4, we can get 5, we can get 6. And if a student asks what is the probability of getting multiple of 2, there are 3 multiples of 2, which is 2, 4 and 6. So possible outcome will be 3. Possible outcome will be 3. And what are the total outcomes? What are the total outcomes? These are 6. Then what is the probability of getting a multiple of 2? Possible outcome are 3 and total outcome are 6. So probability of getting multiple of 2 will be 1 upon 2. So this is my brief explanation about the term probability. Thank you.